Hello, sir. How are you? Okay, sir. So you ask about the encoding and decoding of the encoding and decoding of the autoencoder model, that how it works. So here you can see that in this cell where we are building the autoencoder model. So here it take first of all it will take the autoencoding. What it will do? It will encode all the image that in the first line, if you see here, input shape, input image shape. So what it will do, this line extract the shape of the input image. Okay, so what it will do, it will extract the shape of the input image. And in the next line, if you see input layer line, so this line will define the input layer of the autoencoder model, that what will be the layer of the input model. And after that, the encoding and decoding process will comes on. So what it will do in encoding, so in this line create a convolution layer. In this line, encoding line, it will create a convolution layer called encoder with 16 filters. Here you can see I use encoder with the 16 filters. And also with the next line, which is encoding max polling 2D. So what it will do, this line perform maximum polling on the encoder layer. Maximum polling reduce, what it will do, it will reduce the spatial dimension of the input. It will reduce the dimension of the input to the phenomena where it will fix into the autoencoder model. So after that, the decoding process will continue. And what in the decoding process? The decoding process will do create another convolution layer with 16 filter of size 3 cross 3. The same filter which is designed by encoder will be designed again, filter designed by the decoder of the 16 filter of size 3 cross 3. So what it will do, it will do upsampling increase. You can see here the decoded is equal to upsampling 2D. What it will do, it will create upsampling the spatial dimension of the input duplicating. What it will do, it will again decode the same process and create upsampling that to again create another image data, another convolution matrix. And in the next last line, which is the decoding process, it will create final convolution layer called decoded. Here you can see with a single filter. Well, so here now you can see how many filters are there. There are only one filter with the size of 3 cross 3. So it will give you the output image according to these dimensions. So this is how the auto encoder and decoder will work. Thank you so much.